Welcome back to part one, which is user and license management in our M365 journey. And we're going to just jump right into task 1.2, creating a distribution list and adding our users that was created in task 1.1. So for us to create a distribution list, I'd like us to go to show all, click on show all, and you will find exchange. Remember, these are admin centers. You click on exchange. We will then add group, and we call that group. You can call it HR if you want. So once you are in exchange admin center, you can confirm this exchange admin center. You click on groups. Then you have the option of adding M365 group, distribution list, dynamic, and mail enable security. We'll talk about these ones later on. So let's just add a distribution group. Distribution. Telling us why not create a Microsoft 365 groups instead. We know what we are looking for. Thank you. Alright, so create a distribution list. We call this, let's call it HR or HR updates. Okay, HR updates from HR. You click on next. Assigning an owner. I can assign myself. So I have assigned myself, and then I'm going to assign. The next thing you're going to do is to add a user. Remember, we had a new user called John Doe. John Doe. Just search that. John. All right. We added John. Take note of John's email address. All right. Then settings. How do we want to call this? Let's call it HR. Doesn't matter. HR updates. HR dot updates. Oh, sorry. HR dot updates. Allow people outside of my organization to send. Yeah, that's okay. Joining the group. Anyone can join this group without owner approval. I want it to be closed. Anyone can request to join this group. Must approve the yes. I like this one. Leaving the group. Anyone can leave this group. Only group owners. Just want to make things tight. You can just walk out of the group the way you want. All right. So take note of the email, and we just go ahead and create. Remember, we are creating a distribution list, just as the name implies, where you can distribute information to various users without necessarily having to send them email addresses. Having to send to their email addresses one after the other. So you can have as many users inside the distribution list. So it's more like, just like you have WhatsApp channels, you can just send messages to everyone without having to send to them one after the other. Okay, so we have this. We're good. So we have our HR updates. Let's test this out. So next, I'm going to send an email to this. Let's go to our, remember we didn't add John Doe. So let's first of all add this. Let's add John Doe. John.d. So this is me setting up the mailbox for John Doe to ensure John Doe is able to receive email using our Outlook. Okay. So we are asked to put a password, that lengthy password I used. I hope I don't forget that. Oh, I knew something was gonna happen. Oh my God, I kind of saw this coming. What's happening? Okay, this works. Password is always trying to give us stress. So once we're able to set up the mailbox, we will just go ahead and send an email to. So this is John Doe. There is nothing here. All right. So I'll just go ahead and send. Let me use my account. Let me use my account to send an email to the hr dot update at all right. I'm gonna send this info. Here is our new update. So just go ahead and send this mail. Let's make sure this is correct. All right. What's the email? HR. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on send. We should receive that email here. Oh, good enough. It's here. So you can see, I didn't use John Doe email directly, but John was able to get this email because the email is coming to HR, the distribution list, and John Doe is a member. That means every other members that we may have here, they all can have access to that email. So that's just what I wanted to share with you for in today's task, calling it task 1.2, being able to create a distribution list, adding our user, John Doe in this case, and then we try to send an email to the distribution list, and we see that John Doe was able to receive the email by just being a member of that distribution list. In our next task, I'm going to show you how to grant access in Microsoft Teams and SharePoint. See you in the next video. Do well to share, like, subscribe to this channel. My name is Nsikan Ikpe, and thanks for watching.